think for this I have invested to pair up with this. I have invested in a certain palazzos, but I will not be showing the palazzos in today's video. Hi guys, welcome to a new video. If you are new to my channel, don't fail to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and without wasting any time, today's video, as you can tell by the title, is a shopping spree again. I know I shop a lot, but this was a smart investment. The summers are terrible. Global warming and the heat is so much that you cannot bear the heat and you can't be wearing anything. You have to wear something where your skin can breathe and you are at the bestest, at your best, at your comfortest level. So I don't know if comfortest is the word, but you need to feel comfortable when you're wearing something during the summers. I will do a second video where I purchase a certain bottom wear, but this video is exclusively about tops. Certain few tops, they are all similar, but I will tell you the features of the top that I have purchased. Features as in what is the fabric quality, how it should be, that it sits on your body and whatnot. But without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. The prints that I have purchased, right, are all indie prints. Indie as in they are, I would say they are traditional Indian prints. This is my first top. This is a navy blue top. It has got a red print on it. I don't know what you would call this. These are traditional Indian prints and it is a pure cotton breathable material, and it is sleeveless. It has got no sleeves and it fits perfectly. I think for this I have invested to pair up with this. I have invested in a certain palazzos, but I will not be showing the palazzos in today's video because the palazzos in fact have not arrived as yet. Once they arrive, I will be making a separate video on the palazzos and I'll be telling you how to style them with this. This is something I purchased and this is really comfortable. You can wear it all day. I wear this for work and it is not something that can violate a dress code or anything. It is just sleeveless, that's all. This is my first print. The next print, I got this nice baby pink or dusky pink. I think this is more of a dusky print. I would say it is somewhere in between a light pink and a brown. Don't know, the camera must not be doing justice, but I would very well call it a dusky pink sleeveless top. It is cotton material. This is the print. It's a very decent print and I really like this top. I have worn these two tops. I have already worn. Even this one, this is a black top. It's striped. It's got like colored stripes. I think you can see, if I get it too close, you can see the stripes. This is one I got in black. And I have worn this with red palazzos. I have red palazzos. They were actually under the category of trousers, but I wouldn't call them trousers because they are wide-legged pants. So I would term them as palazzos, and they are kind of see-through, not completely see-through. They are kind of see-through. I have red palazzos, so I wore them with this, and the comfort level is amazing. You can go through your day all day wearing this and palazzos. So this is what I got in black, and a similar one I got in white. It has got same stripe like print, but this one is kind of like loose, very loose, although all are large size. I'm a large size, so this has also got colored print on it. This looks XL, I know, but this was the large one, and I wore it with red skinny jeans, high-waisted skinny jeans. I wore this and it was okay. I think if you tuck this in palazzo pant also, it will look cool, very cool. This is a very cool fabric. During summers you need to consider two fabrics. One is cotton and one is linen. I think Levi is another material which is really good, and the fourth material is viscose. Viscose is sort of very soft fabric and a very flowy fabric. Some may misunderstand it to be polyester, but no, it's comfortable. It's very comfortable, very breathable on the skin, viscose. The next top is this one. It's got this kind of print on it. This is a taupe colored top. Again, same, it's the same style. I want it sleeveless and in cotton, like pure cotton. You know, when the heat is so much, these kind of fabric keeps you comfortable all day. So this is the next top I got. And then this one I have not worn, the label is still intact. This is like a geometrical indie print. I don't know if you can see the print. Again, cotton material, and it's got these cute buttons on the top. You see these 3 buttons on the top. Then we have got one in green. I had to pick one in green, so whenever I go in selection, my considerations are for black, white, which are staple colors in your closet. So black and white I had to purchase. Then blues are kind of what I like, navy blues, light blues, and the fabric that I had to consider was this one. The color I had to consider was green one. This has also got a nice print on it. They look like, I don't know if you see up close, they look like dancing carrots. That's what they look like. But this is one very nice cute top. They look short. When you wear them, they are like the right size. If you wear a high-waisted palazzo, this really fits really well. Then the next one I got in red. It has got stripes, like white stripes and certain red stripes, red orange stripes. Okay, I don't know if I should do a try on. I think I should do a try on, but you know what, wearing and removing, I might mess up my hair and even my makeup. And you know, when I get really conscious when I do try-ons, because my head looks really big. I have a very big plum face. I'm working on it, you know. I'm trying to maintain a diet, but somehow I don't want to be too skinny either. That is beside the point. But I hope you like what I have purchased. All of these tops I have purchased from Myntra. All of this I have purchased from Myntra. I went on their western wear tops section, tops, t-shirts and tunics, that section. I went there, I narrowed it down to sleeveless and cotton fabric, and this is all that you know, suited my preference. So that's all for my shopping spree. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. My next video will be lined up really soon. I am going to do staples for bottom wear during the summer, so stay tuned for that. And you know, bye until next time.